The most loyal soldier in Communist China was destroyed by the man he served. It's 1949, Beijing, China. Lin Biao stands beside Mao as the People's Republic is declared, his guerrilla tactics having crushed the nationalists. He becomes defense minister, his military genius reshaping the army. His strategies fill the Little Red Book alongside Mao's thoughts. During the Cultural Revolution, he purges Mao's enemies without question. For years, he is the perfect lieutenant, second only to Mao himself. But his very success begins to worry the chairman. Lin's influence grows too strong, his military too loyal. Mao starts removing Lin's allies one by one. Paranoia creeps into their meetings. On September 13, 1971, Lin boards a plane with his family, fleeing toward the Soviet Union. The aircraft crashes in the Mongolian desert. No survivors. Beijing announces that Lin died attempting to escape after plotting Mao's assassination. His name is erased from history. The most faithful general who made Mao's revolution possible was Lin Biao.